Okay, some crackers, some cheese, my banana. Da da da. Didn't have breakfast, so you know me, guys. Still have my eggs, my egg white, my thermos as usual, and my water. Here I am sitting here. Let's look at what we have here. So beautiful. So beautiful. As I said this morning, my people, a lot of times things happen in your life and you argue and you fight and you complain and you complain some more. But sometimes we shouldn't complain. Sometimes we should just take a moment and give God thanks. Because everything happens for a reason. We might not understand it right away, but eventually we do understand, and everything becomes clearer as we understand it. So again, don't get frustrated. Just give thanks for all things. And ask for guidance to understand it. And when you understand it, you're going to be like, wow, thank God I waited. Patient man ride donkey. When one door closed, many more open. And sometimes we close the doors. But it's not just we who close it, but it's like God knows our hearts. He understands everything. And while we're there, He's saying, all right, I got you. I'll make another way for you. So that's how it goes, my people. So I'm here and I'm giving thanks for all things. Soon I'll include you on my journey. It's a new journey. But to God be the glory. Enjoyed my banana. Because I had to rush out this morning so early. And I got here and I didn't eat, and we've been so busy. And I was a little apprehensive because I didn't know. Like, I said, God, what am I getting into? I've been home. Thank God I've been walking in the backyard. Not as much as I should because it's cold. But man, we got in here today and we covered some grounds. We walked because we did a tour. And it felt so good. When your mind is in a good place, believe me, when your mind is in a good place, everything else falls into place. So, I'm sitting at a little table, having lunch. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. So, wow. I wanted to enjoy the water. Okay. crackers and cheese. This is good. Okay, my people, I'm still here. I am still Just gonna walk a little bit. And you guys can see. Just come here.
They don't have any forks.
Uh-oh.
Forks not spinning.
Oh. And this is our cafeteria area. I like this. We have a little waterfall coming down. It's a nice place. Hey, you're just chilling in here. Look at this guy. There's a table tennis thing. Here's outside. Beautiful day outside. Trees are naked. It's just beautiful. So with environments like this, your spirit is uplifted. You feel good inside and outside. You just have to give thanks. Sometimes change is good. Change is so good. So thanks for all the prayers, guys. Thanks for all the upliftment. Thanks for all the encouragement. As I said, don't feel bad for me. God always provides. And sometimes what he provides, as I said, it's not about the financial aspect of it. It is about, I don't know what this is. This is a game or something. Seems like a game. So I am just giving thanks. Total thanks. That God says, where I want you, I'll place you. And what you need to have, He'll just give it to you guys. Just never be hopeless. God is a great God. Trust Him. Sometimes we look at some things and we, no, I can't do that because I'm going to lose money. I can't do that. But sometimes we need to start over fresh and build again. And look at not only the money that we get, but look at the benefits, guys. The mental health benefits, the kind of environment that surrounds us, the opportunities that will come to us. Just look at it. Look at life in a different way and enjoy the change. Enjoy the journey. Because you can make it into a good journey or a bad journey. Enjoy it. Make it a good one and you enjoy it. The first day, guys. First day. And I love it. 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 Much love to all of you where you are. Remember, tell somebody you love them today. Tell somebody you appreciate them today. Tell somebody something good and uplift their spirit. Just tell somebody something. Don't wait till it's too late and you forget, or too late when they can't hear you. But tell them now. Tell them now. That you tell them now, alright? Take care of yourselves.